This is the Baker 7, reporting from my garden. It's got my phone, and that noise you hear, apart from the road, is my car. It's a Citroen Saxo SX, and I've named her Joanna. This is a birthday present. But truth is, I had a bit of a lie, because I've had this now for a year. On the 17th birthday, I'm near 18 now, next week. And it's been sat around doing nothing for a year. It starts first time, it's a fantastic car. But I'm afraid I'm only going to be using it for banger reason, because that deep drone, the engine, but no exhaust. Right, the engine's going to warm up the battery, and I'm just using it as a shed at the moment. But it's a fantastic car, I tell you. It's really a shame that I did now. But those are the back wheels. They've got no caps on because they were seized. There's no one inside. The car's doing it itself. See that? That's the exhaust. It cost about 200 quid to get that sorted, but then look at the chassis. It's knackered. So, it's got a sunroof. Let's check it out, man. I could go cruising. Take girls out. Have them in the back. Woo! But, yeah. The reason I didn't tell anyone that I had it, sorry guys and girls, is I was hoping to pass my test and drive it into school. Say, yeah, no, I've got no car, got no car. The next day, come in with it. Okay. Yeah, so what a lie. Check it out, man. But I'm out of school now. Officially out. Yeah, I've got a skull. I'm officially out. And my driving instructor's been a pain in the backside. So I've swapped him, so I've got a lot more to do. I haven't even got my theory test booked, or SAS or anything. Got nothing. I've got sod all money as well, so this is a plea for money. Buy stuff from me. I'll sell anything. Up to a point. Jack Buchanan. Wink wink. But